Good morning, dear student of class 12. Today I am going to teach you short answer type question in about 30 to 40 words from your lesson Indigo. Page number 87. Question number 10. What according to Gandhi was the beginning of the poor peasants' liberation from fear of the British? Answer. The next morning the town of Motihari was black with peasants. They had heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them was in trouble with the authorities. They spontaneously demonstrated in thousands around the courthouse. Gandhiji called their action of protest as their liberation from fear of the British. Question number 11. Why did Gandhiji feel that taking the Champaran case to the court was useless? Gandhiji felt that taking the Champaran case to the court was useless because the real relief for the peasants would come only when they become fearless. The peasants were in acute panic. Question number 12. What was the conflict of duties in which Gandhiji was involved? First, he did not want to set a bad example as a law breaker. Second, he wanted to render the humanitarian and national service for which he had come. He respected the lawful authority but disagreed the order to live to obey the voice of his conscience. Question number 13. What according to Rajendra Prasad was the upshot of the consultation of the lawyers regarding the injustice to sharecroppers? They thought that Gandhiji was a total stranger, yet he was ready to go to prison for the sake of the peasant. On the other hand, the lawyers were the residents of nearby districts. They also claimed to have served these peasants. It would be shameful desertion if they should go home then. Question number 14. Civil disobedience had triumphed the first time in modern India. How? A case against Gandhi was initiated for disregarding government orders. The spontaneous demonstration of thousands of peasants baffled the official. The judge was requested to postpone the trial. Gandhi refused to furnish bail. The judge released him without bail. Several days later, Gandhi received an official letter. The case against him had been dropped. Thus, civil disobedience had triumphed. Question number 15. What do you think led Gandhi to exclaim, "The battle of Champaran is won"? Gandhiji was ready to go to jail fighting against the injustice to the sharecroppers. Many prominent lawyers had come from all over Bihar to advise and help him. At first, they said they would go back if Gandhi went to prison. Later, they had consultations. They told Gandhi they were ready to follow him into jail. This support made Gandhiji extremely happy and confident. This confidence led him to explain that the battle of Champaran was won. Question number 16. How did Gandhi and lawyers try to secure justice for the sharecroppers? They started conducting a detailed inquiry into the grievance of peasants. Deposition by about 10,000 peasants were written down. Notes were made on other evidence. Documents were collected. The whole area came alive with activities of the investigators. The landlords raised loud protest. Question number 17. What was the reaction of Gandhi and his associates when he was summoned to the Lieutenant Governor? In June, Gandhiji was summoned to Sir Edward Gate, the Lieutenant Governor. Anything could happen. Gandhi met his leading associates before doing. Detailed plans for civil disobedience were chalked out in case he should return. Question number 18. What was the outcome of the four protracted interviews Gandhiji had with their lieutenant governor? An official commission of inquiry into the sharecroppers' situation was appointed. This commission consisted of landlords, government officials, and Gandhiji as the sole representative of the peasant. Question number 19. Why did the big planters agree in principle to make a refund to the peasants? Answer. The official inquiry assembled a huge quantity of evidence against the big planters. The crushing evidence forced the big planters to agree in principle to make refund to the peasants. Question number 20. What amount of repayment did the big planters think Gandhiji would demand? What did Gandhi ask? What amount was finally settled? Answer. They thought Gandhi would demand a repayment in full of the money they had exacted from the sharecroppers. Gandhi asked only 15%, 50%, not 15%, 50%. The planters offered to refund up to 25%. Gandhiji was adamant on 50%. The deadlock was broken when Gandhiji agreed to a settlement of 25% refund to peasants. Which other spheres besides political or economic fields received Gandhi attention during his long stay in Champaran? Answer. The cultural and social backwardness of the Champaran areas pained Gandhiji. He appealed for teachers. Several persons responded to his call. Primary schools were opened in 6 villages. Kasturba taught the ashram rules on personal cleanliness and community sanitation with the help of a doctor and 3 medicines. They tried to fight the miserable health conditions. Question number 22. This was typical Gandhi pattern, observes Louis Fisher. What do you learn about Gandhian politician from the extract indigo? Answer. Gandhiji politics was intermixed with the practical everyday life of the millions of Indians. This was not a loyalty to abstraction. It was a loyalty to living human beings. In everything Gandhiji did, he tried to mold a new free India who could stand on its own feet and thus make India free. Question number 23. How did Gandhiji teach his followers a lesson of self-reliance? Answer. During the Champaran action, Gandhiji lawyer friends thought it would be good if Mr. Andrews stayed on in Champaran and helped them. Gandhiji opposed this idea as it showed the weakness of their heart. Their cause was just and they must rely upon themselves to win this unequal fight. They should not seek the support of Mr. Andrews because he happened to be an Englishman. Students, these are your additional questions in about 30 to 40 words. Long question and answer have been solved in your books from page number 88, 89 and 1991. You have learned all the question and answers and prepare your relation carefully. Thanks guys. Have a nice day.